Equivalent ratios. In this lesson, you will learn what equivalent ratios are and how they can be simplified. Look at all these toys. Let's group them together and express their numbers as a ratio. There are 8 action hero figurines here and 12 dinosaur figurines. If we were to express the ratio of action hero figurines to dinosaur figurines, we would say 8:12. However, do you think there is another way of writing this ratio? Instead of writing the numbers directly, we can use grouping. For example, if we put them in groups of 2, we would have 4 groups of action hero figurines and 6 groups of dinosaur figurines. Hence, the ratio of action hero figurines to dinosaur figurines can be described as 4:6, although their actual number has not changed. We can also group the figurines into groups of 4. Doing this, we can see that the ratio is now 2:3. Hence, 8:12 is the same as 4:6 and 2:3. This demonstrates the idea of equivalent ratios. Remember that 8:12 represents the original numbers. On the other hand, 2:3 is the ratio of 8:12 in its simplest form. There is a quicker way to identify equivalent ratios. Let's see how. Here we have 3 action hero figurines and 9 dinosaur figurines. Hence, their ratio can be expressed as 3:9. Step 1 involves finding a common factor of the numbers in the ratio, or in other words, 3 and 9 in this example. What do you think the common factor of 3 and 9 is? That's right! 3 and 9 can both be divided by 3. Thus, 3 will be their common factor. Step 2 will involve dividing the numbers in the ratio by the common factor. This will give us 1:3. As the ratio cannot be simplified any further, this equivalent ratio is also known as the simplest form of the original ratio, 3:9. We can also increase a ratio as long as it remains an equivalent ratio. Look at this example. There are 2 action hero figurines to the 5 dinosaur figurines. What about the second ratio, where the number of action hero figurines is 4? Since we know that 2 multiplied by 2 gives 4, we would also multiply 5 by 2. This gives us 10 and makes the new ratio 4:10, which is equivalent to 2:5. All we did was effectively double each number in the ratio. In this lesson, you have learnt what equivalent ratios are and how they can be simplified.